Okay, here we are on Rua de Chaves, which is like Street of the Keys. I'm going to show you all about here in a minute. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rua de Chaves is going to be on the corner of Rua de Bragança. So we're going to be walking down this street in a minute. Let me just kind of show you what's around here. First of all, there's a pretty cool building right there. Really cool building. Lots of tall skyscrapers over there. We're going to be filming over there later. And over here we have IKEA, which is right there. And then we have the post office, which is right here. So we're going to check out Rua de Chaves in a minute. But that's kind of where we're at, so we're going to be checking it all out. To the right is that building's amazing right there. But this is a park, and I think I saw they're going to make it into some kind of amusement park or something like that. This all green part right here, all that kind of garden-looking thing. So I heard it's going to be they're developing this area quite a bit. So. There we go. So this Kia right here, there's a Grand Central Park, I think it's called, but that is sorry, Taipa Central Park. So there's a giant swimming pool over there. I filmed over there a few times, and somewhat recently as well. But there's all these giant tall buildings everywhere that kind of surround that park. But yeah, this one is going to be some kind of amusement center thing, and then we just have a big conglomeration of different parks over here too. Sorry, Park Lock Garden. Some kind of apartment building complex. That looks pretty cool too. All kinds of stuff around here. Don't even know where to begin with filming all this stuff. Yeah, look at those buildings. I filmed over there before all those tall buildings because they surround Taipa Central Park. And up here there's a giant mountain over here. Not mountain, but I don't know what you call that, but Ocean Gardens is over on the other side of that. But there's some housing up there as well. Basically, in general, you just got all kinds of cool stuff all around here. This is Taipa. I guess I kind of call it like northern Taipa, if I was to give it a name. The sun is pretty bright here today. Okay, yeah, actually I want to focus on these buildings all the way down too. So I heard that all of this is going to be transformed into I heard amusement park or playground. Okay, here's some other stuff. I think this is a dog park right here, so people can bring their dogs in these two that are filled with the cages around. It's hard for me to see through the camera. It's so bright. Look at that. Can you see that? I'll try to get into the shade a little bit. Okay, there's a dog park. All these buildings. I just kind of wanted to focus on that right there. There's two really cool windows right there. So I don't know what those windows are all about. But let's cross the street. And I also want to focus on these, looks like military barrack kind of stuff. I like this Coke sign one. Okay, let's go check out this military. See, I don't know what that stuff is. Grand Dragon Casino is right there. Here's all the Cook signs. So that's the street that we just came down, straight down this one. So this is Rua de Chaves, which is the Street of the Keys. So I guess that means that in the past that used to be a street where people would get keys. I kind of imagine some much smaller little alley. And we got some artwork here. And some artwork here too. Let's go around. Now we can see this kind of barrack kind of stuff. Actually, that's the end of the street, so we'll just, that's that casino right there. And then we're gonna just kind of come right into this other really cool little thing right here. And I don't know what this thing is. But this street will go into this one. There's all kinds of cool stuff in here. So this will probably be worthy of a separate video. Check out all these apartments. Okay. So we're gonna follow this down. Then we're gonna go into this park and then we're gonna loop around and then you can kind of see the context of Rua de Chaves and exactly where it goes, but it kind of goes into this cool little complex right here. Used to be a couple bars in here, but those are all closed now. This might be its own focus later. So we're just gonna walk up around the block and come around back to Rua de Chaves, and then you kind of have an idea of this other little area. Okay, there's a couple of things I want to focus on in here. So now we're going to come back up on this street, and up this is the one with the light rail. There's a station down that way. And we're going to come back on, there's some other hotels right here, Grandview Hotel and Grand Dragon Casino. We're back on Rua de Chaves. Okay, so this one kind of ends with the casino. And I'm not sure, I might try to make that barracks focus for the next video, so stay tuned, you'll see something like that in the near future. This one. Okay, so we are at Rua de Chaves, which is also Grand Dragon Casino. Chiquinha, chiquinha.